Then strike number 1 to the head. Then imagine your opponent use an escudo. Then he strike you in the legs. Then when he strike you in the legs, bring your weapon as a parry. To at the same time stepping back with your foot like this. Then strike number 1. Then your opponent use escudo to block your strike. Then strike your legs. Then you rotate your leg as you parry his weapon like this. From this position, you strike number 4 to his head. So this is number 1. Strike number 1. Defend against the number 2 strike. By parrying. Then step forward to hit him in the head. With your number 4, then imagine he strike you again. He strike you again in this side, the number 11. So when number 11 comes to your head, to your body, strike it downward like this as you step back. Then forward to hit again his head. So the moment is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Like this. Practice this many times until you get used to this kind of movements. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Again, this is the number 1 strike. Then your defense, number 2, by parrying down. Then you strike him in the head, the number 4. Then he strike you in strike you with the number 11. So step back as you throw your bagsak to the opponent's weapon. Then again strike him in the head. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the counter is like this. This is the 5, the 6 movement. You number 6, block. When your opponent attack you in the head, you block using the escudo. Then you strike him in the legs. When you block, you step back. Because he is coming forward, you step back as you block. Then you strike him in the legs, like that. So this is our blocking, defense. This is the offense. Then you strike you now the number 4 in the head. Then you use the number 6 strike. It's like this. So 1, first block, the strike, then defense. This is the number 6 strike. Defense like this. His number 4 is countered with your number 6 like this. So again, step back as you block, then strike in the legs, then use a guard, this is a guard, number 6, then you strike him in the body with your number 11, Then when you strike again number 1, then you step back like this. So the movement 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first, block, strike, block, strike, then block. Again. So to complete the 10 movements, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So practice this 10 movements. If you have a partner, then you strike the number 1, you start with number 1, and he start with number 6. You strike number 1, and he starts number 6. Like this. Then he strike number 2, then you parry it with